The name of my school is Faraja Montessori and Daycare, Tanzania, Arusha.
Thank you.
This is the headmistress here.
Yeah.
The headmistress. This is the school.
Yes, I'm head of this school. We started in 2012.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
For
Thank
the
you.
one class, now we have 3 classes.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Thank you so much for having us today, and thank you for letting the people know how they can help. Thank you.
You are welcome. Thank you very much.
The program that helps the mothers, so that's a program that helps mothers from, like you said, faraway villages or local villages. And what exactly, they come here and you said they have like a 2-week?
They're coming here 2 weeks before for making the interview. They are doing interview here for how to know how to write and how to read. Because there are another one, they are coming from the village, they don't know how to write and to read. So it's difficult for the girls who are coming to learn here if you don't know how to read and to write, because they are using the system of vocation.
Exactly.
Yeah, they are coming here to learning cookery class, sewing class, and the dressing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just to make this really clear, this is a good thing, and that's one of the reasons that we picked this particular location to focus all of our resources as far as like trying to help and raise money, and this is why your contributions are so important.
My name is Lucy Chuonyo, 46 years old, a mother of 7. I've been a teacher of children since 1997.
Wow.
It is a pleasure to be a teacher, especially to teach young children.
Yes.
Because every day they are smiling, they are laughing. So they make me forget my stress. Whenever they hug me, they kiss me, they jump over me. So I always forget my stress. So I love teaching children.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How are you? What are you doing? Good.
Very good. Very good. Yay, very good. Very good. Good job. Good job.
The challenge in my school of Faraja Montessori and Daycare is school van. We have 6 years now, we didn't find the school van. It's morning and evening. So I'm using more than 300,000 per week.
Wow.
For petrol station.
Yeah.
So it's very expensive and it's very difficult to getting the more charging for their parents.
Right.
Because now I need my parents to know what they are going to pay for their kids or their children. It's very expensive, more than school fee.
Wow.
So I'm doing like is there sacrifice for myself to do this, to help their parents to come in here. It's not for payment.
Right.
Because it's very expensive to using a private car for picking their kids and to return back. Because my car is very small. They are Honda. So they are picking 7 or 6 kids. And they have more than 20 kids for using the transport. So I'm going and drop another one, then I'm going back to pick another one, I'm going to drop again 3 times per day.
Per day.
Yes.
I just really want to say thank you.
Thank you for your support, the donations.
Straight up.
It goes a long way to help these kids and these moms send their kids to school and learn skills so they can take care of their children. So thank you so much.
Real talk. Hey, and we already over 300. I think we got another donation coming in this morning. Everything goes to the Cash App.
Everything goes to GoFundMe.
To GoFundMe.
Yes, there's a GoFundMe. We'll have the information down below. You guys can check that out in the description box. so you can donate, and we will let you guys know what the progress is and how we're going.
Straight up, straight up. And again, thank y'all. We appreciate it so much. This is like overwhelming almost from all the love and all the support. And man, thank y'all for helping us do our best while we over here being country in another country. Peace.